there's an issue we found both on Mac and PC running the SpeckleQGIS that's available from the QGIS plugin repository. So I'm going to quickly run through how to have an alternative means of installing it. So if I launch QGIS, I'm using 3.28, but it works equally well in 3.22. The solution on the community forum is on the Mac side in 3.22. If I come to plugins just to see, so Speckle's not installed. First thing I'm going to do is replicate the issue that some of you are facing. Come to Speckle 2.9, which was from, well, a long time ago, a whole week ago. If I install that, the error that you're getting is related to this SpeckleQGIS has no class factory. Don't really know what that means, but I'm going to install that. And I'm in my active profile. I'm going to open the profile folder. Inside the Python folder there's a plugins folder. I've currently got no plugins installed. I'm going to leave that window open. That was a publicly available one, and what I'm going to do now is come to the repo, QGIS. All you need is that link. 2.94 was released 2 days ago, and that's the latest code version. I'm also going to launch PowerShell. If I come over here, I'll grab the link to that plugins folder. Plugins folder is empty. I'm going to come back over here, grab the link to the repo. I've already got Git installed. Git clone. While that's downloading, if you were using a Git UI, the same process. As long as you're installing directly into or downloading directly into the plugins folder, everything will be fine. We've got that installed. dir SpeckleQGIS. I'm coming over here. Launch QGIS. This will show in Manager on installed Speckle version 2.94, and it will show that it's on my hard drive. That's showing the files are installed. Now we're going to enable it, and enabling will download dependencies, and the only dependency is the SpecklePy SDK. That should be bringing in SpeckleQGIS over here. You may need to do a restart depending on exactly what build of QGIS you've got, which means you launch it again. Literally that. So if there are any errors on install, don't worry about it. As long as the enable tick comes in, you can close QGIS and open it again. It should be fine. QGIS, I'm going to test it. What have I got? Our test stream. There's the data. Hope that helps.